Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. Today, we're reviewing the Everydollar app, a budgeting tool created by Ramsey Solutions to help users take control of their finances. Everydollar follows a zero-based budgeting approach, ensuring every dollar you earn is assigned to a specific category. With a simple interface and easy-to-use budgeting tools, it's designed to make financial planning straightforward. Everydollar allows users to create monthly budgets, track spending, and set financial goals. The free version requires manual expense tracking, while the premium version, Everydollar Plus, offers bank syncing for automatic expense tracking. Users can categorize transactions, plan for upcoming bills, and monitor progress toward savings goals. One of the biggest advantages of Everydollar is its simplicity. The app's clean design makes it easy for beginners to set up and stick to a budget. It's especially useful for those following the Dave Ramsey budgeting method, as it aligns perfectly with his financial principles. The premium version also includes access to Ramsey Plus for additional financial resources. However, Everydollar does have its downsides. The free version lacks automatic transaction syncing, requiring users to manually enter expenses. Some users feel the premium subscription is expensive compared to other budgeting apps that offer similar features for free. Additionally, Everydollar is more focused on budgeting and lacks investment tracking tools. User reviews are generally positive, with many praising the app's simplicity and effectiveness in helping them manage money. Those who follow Dave Ramsey's methods appreciate how Everydollar keeps them on track. However, some users find the manual tracking inconvenient, and others wish for more financial planning features beyond budgeting. Overall, Everydollar is a great budgeting tool for users who want a simple, zero-based budgeting system. It's especially beneficial for those who follow Dave Ramsey's financial strategies. While the premium version offers more automation, some may find it pricey. If you're looking for a straightforward budgeting app, Everydollar is worth considering. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or other inquiries, please email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.